And I mean the 18-point loss shit, like, bruh, 18-point loss, hell nah. Yeah, how much is this tick? Like my loss is, oh yeah, 20 ticks. 20 ticks in. No, we don't want that movement, bro. We need that bitch to come up there, click that, and then leave. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Yeah, we might. After I thought that if we didn't get it off that candle, bro, this is a difficult trade to for me to get in because now I am not supposed to have consolidation like that. Yeah, let me see. Hold on, let me watch that. Hold on, go that again. I I'm not gonna lie. I was like, if we the so I had 6,884 marked out as a very strong pivot zone. Like anything under that is like massive sales, and the other pickup zone is gonna be 6,871. And bro, I was like, if we get a close above, and then the closer would have taken us to the VWAP cloud, and then that would have been like, ooh, you feel me? But it's like it refuses to go close above by that first major zone. So if it doesn't, bro, like it should just like send off like right here. Even though there's mad support at, that same level, it's like that's where the next level it's supposed to go is like it's like a couple points away from there to go back up. And if it goes back up from there, it's like it doesn't make sense. The risk to reward is gonna be way too skewed for us to take it.
Yeah, I would love to get a fill here. And then, I mean, obviously, if we get down here and price is okay, then
I wouldn't do a butterfly here because I don't think we're gonna pin there. I think we might get there. We're already pretty close, and then we might go back up. So if we get there, I'll do a credit spread with the big note at 68.35 as defending it.
wait. Sorry, say that again. My mom just texted me something. I'm so sorry.
I said I wouldn't do a butterfly because I don't know if we're gonna end there.
Mhm.
But I will do a credit spread if we get there using
That's what, yeah,
68.35 as a stop
right,
loss.
right.
If we were later on in the day or we were a little further from it and it was moving slower, then I would do a butterfly. But like if we
Yeah,
get that, which it's likely, like what are the chances we get there in the next like 15 minutes and then we would have to basically consolidate in that range for like 5 hours.
right. So, did you see the slide that I sent from? I mean, this is a huge green node too, which is good. Did you see what I sent from Vol?
In the chat.
Mm-hmm. So the only issue is if we cross 68.35, all they said is risk off.
Right.
That's the one thing that worries me. I'm pretty sure this node, yeah, I mean, this node has basically doubled since they sent the dealer inventory, which, I mean, is honestly good. Yeah, this profile has already changed since they sent it. This is huge. Let's see VIX. Yeah, VIX beat this
I mean,
one.
I hope we get down there because I'll full port credit spreads.
You will?
Yeah.
I'll probably, I mean, dude, I'm so scarred, Jamal.
From
Yeah,
the-
man. The first one you've ever done.
Isn't that crazy, bro? Fucking A. Jesus
Ship
Christ.
the low.
It's like a virgin and the first time you probably just got, I don't know, like she took you into a dungeon or some shit. I don't know, bro.
Yeah,
Fucking that's
dude,
what it is.
basically. No, that's like if I was a virgin and then she pulled out like an 8-incher.
Yeah, bro. Went to town on your shit. Oh my god. Oh no, baby.
I mean, I do feel really good about it.
Yeah, we might have to just like fucking. And now it's like even if I do get the retracement, I can't go full size on a position like this.
Not,
Too much like the buy volume is decreasing though, so that is good.
I don't think we're gonna get here for a long time.
No, we're not gonna get here, bro. I'm keeping it a stack. We're probably not gonna get here.
I think this touches. I think we come down to yesterday's pre-market low before we touch the cloud.
It should actually start buying up from here because this is the next support zone that was like very strong.
Hey man, I'd love to see it.
But you already know that's just speculation. Ultimate trade would look like boom all the way down there.
Small. I don't understand how people like the marketing campaign guy David are like satisfied with their career. Like, how do you take $3,000 from somebody, provide zero value, give zero leads, and then collect a check like that and feel okay about doing that the next day?
Yeah, I have no idea. I mean, that's why I'm helping them like kind of get it back. And I don't really care that, David probably had to spend like, I don't know, $200 setting stuff up that he's just gonna lose out on now.
Yeah.
Usually I feel bad, but in this case, it's like he did it to himself.
No, I mean, like, he could literally, like, if I was him, I mean, I don't know. That's, first of all, not how you run a business. Like, secondly, he should literally just say, hey, I will refund everything except for my like setup costs, because it's also like, dude, if it costs him $200 to set up, I mean, he's running over a 90% margin on on a business that he runs horribly.
Exactly. Yeah.
Like
I
that's
don't know why he doesn't just do that. But yeah, he's gonna miss out on all of it now. So at least Rogvet
yeah.
will get his money back.
I mean, dude, the closest thing that we got to a lead was somebody that said they're interested and then never responded to a follow-up email, and it was multiple follow-ups.
Yeah, that's like that's nothing.
Like I can't like how do you like go how do you show up the next day and say yeah, how do you take on a new customer and say yeah, like super excited to get this role and we're going to give you these great results. Like he literally, David's last piece of advice for us was to cold outreach on LinkedIn. Like, buddy, what?
Yeah, makes zero sense. I don't know how he's even like. He should just shut down the business at this point. Like, it's probably the saddest performance I've ever seen.
Yeah, I mean it's ridiculous. Like the amount of people online, like, well, oh my gosh, the amount of people online that you find that's just like, damn. Like it really is crazy. Like when you lead with value, you set yourself apart so much. It's insane.
Right, 100%.
Jamal, I think my theory of VWAP action being cyclical might be correct. So January 2026 was great. I mean, I haven't fully tested it with this, but January 2024 so far is the best month that I've seen. Just got done with January 2025, and it is plus 70 points again. Like, I genuinely am expecting price in every month to generally reflect the range of the previous month. Which is good to know because if we jump in and in 2025, September was awful again. 2023 September is awful. We can just set new protocols for September. Like I'm telling you, dude, this strategy when we're done with it is going to be the incredible.
Fuck me, bro. It's sending, gang. Fuck.
We're done. We're done.
Well, can't have that.
These are the other two pinpoints that we could target off of a 68.35 rejection right now that I'm seeing. This one's probably a little stronger. I mean, this looks good, but it's kind of impossible.
You're not getting that bitch, bro. Fuck me.
I know, it's toast. This is my favorite. Let's see.
I mean, we got, how much did we get? Like, we got 2 or 3 last week, I think. I'm not really sure.
I don't even know. We got a bunch. I mean, even on Friday it cut too.
I'm fucking, like, I keep forgetting that we got multiple ones on one day, so it's probably around like 5 or so.
Yeah.
So we got 2 on Friday, so that's 2, and then I think we got like 3 separately, so that's like it's anywhere between 4 or 5. So can't expect it to start like that off the bro. When I opened my trading view on my phone, I was like, wait a minute, come on in, the water's fine. Oh fuck, this boy said, listen, I'm not going up here. Y'all can party by yourselves. Not doing it.
Jamal, that Condor play last Friday was so sexy.
Which one?
The one that you called out, the intraday Condor. Like, bro, literally, when you called that out,
You think of the one on Wednesday where it just went sideways?
Oh yeah, sorry, Wednesday, not Friday. That's my bad. When you called that out, I put in a limit order and I never got filled. It died.
I mean, that was just like a perfect one. I think that's the biggest positive gamma cluster I've ever seen.
Yeah, dude, it was insane. I mean, VIX broke through this, which is crazy. Actually, not really, because it was overnight, right?
VIX is VIXing.
Mm.
VIX is VIXing. See, what happened to ES though? Actual ES. Nah.
So can you understand Charm and Gamma, or sorry, Charm, Vanna better from what Ball was talking about on Friday? Like, I don't understand how to read this stuff.
Same thing as Gamma. So Charm is just based off. So Gamma is the change in delta based off of the spot price move.
Welcome in.
Charm is the change
We
in
are
delta based off
patiently waiting
of time, and
on this
Vanna is the
retracement
change
here.
in delta based off the volatility. So it's all just measuring the
Should
change
look
in
something
delta.
like boom,
It's just based on
boom,
different inputs.
and then we take it back.
Okay, that makes sense.
My ultimate target would be where we actually got the pivot from.
Wait, so
Boom.
Charm is the change
We don't
in
want the
delta
entire thing,
based
right? We don't want the
on,
full flush. I mean, if we get the full
time.
flush, it's fine, but we're not running it down. This is a higher guarantee of happening than like going all the way down to this final target here for today at least.
The majority of like 80% of it.
I've seen all my targets get smashed literally on the same day, but I just never want to take that chance because there are chances where times where it actually
Wait,
just
what did you
reverses
say?
or it
So
just consolidates.
Gamma is expressed as what? It's the change in delta based on
the actual directional move.
Okay. So it's directional acceleration.
Yep.
Schmedward, I like that name. Fucking Schmedward. But yeah, we might not get the pullback. If we don't get the pullback how we want it, then we're just gonna call it. Because the reality is we haven't created we have created lower highs, you know, but they aren't significant in terms of like affecting the entire structure. There was a high here, and I believe there was a high here as well. This is, depending on how this finishes, this can also be considered a high. And as you can see, lower lows, not lower lows, sorry, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, indicative of a solid downtrend. We just need to get in on one of these downtrends, the high pivots. And as I said, the high pivot that we want should come up right here. Reason why we want to do that, right? See if I could fucking delete this. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Alright.
The
Fuck me
beautiful,
again.
scary thing about a strategy like this is you don't need a great win rate. Like, I think the win rate in this is actually below 50%, but it's still immensely profitable.
Wait, you said you don't need a what and it's still profitable?
You don't need a high win rate.
Oh yeah.
The win rate is actually below 50%. Which kind of sucks because, like, who the hell likes to lose trades? But
Josh, appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, this shit might be sending off, like full fucking send off, bro. I see no easing up of the sell pressure.
so yeah, Jamal, this is all I've been doing to try to just speed the
From,
data.
let me see if will Bookmaps show this properly. Hold on. I want y'all to see this Bookmaps interval.
Set highs and lows, and just go through for anything that actually fits the criteria.
Yeah, I mean, simple enough. It's not like a crazy complex strategy. I mean, at least not yet. We don't know what we're gonna refine
Nope.
it to.
Yeah. Oh, I hope it gets a bit
Fitting.
complex. because it's basically just the only things I need to look for is I need 2 candles to close above the pre-market ceiling. And then what I'll do is, so in a scenario like this,
I don't know why it doesn't show it.
I'll show you one when I get it. You need 2 to close above.
I don't know.
After price moves into the cloud, you need 1 candle of separation before you can retake it. So if we have here, and then, so if this was in the cloud, say it finishes up here, and then we wick right in, I'm not taking that because we need
That's
1
strange.
candle's worth of separation. What else? It's pretty simple from there. So this we're not in, this we're not in. We're not in any of this shit. Let's see here. Nope, we didn't get that. Not getting that.
So sad, bro. Got up, did nothing. I like literally just got up and just like went straight to the computer, bro. If this goes straight to fucking target without me getting an entry,
So,
bro,
this
like
is
I'm
one of the
actually gonna
things that I
fucking
need to
cry.
refine, right? Because technically, what I have here is I have 1 candle, so I have 2 candles closing above the pre-market range, but they're not consecutive, which is something I've been jostling with. Like, do I need to refine this to fit
It's
that?
like, bro, I hate when I'm actually calling out exactly the targets that need to get broken, and it's like the only thing missing is for me to get my entry model present, and I just don't get the entry, and everything else is correct apart from me getting in. And the thing is, bro, like you cannot, when I say this, bro, especially if you're just now trading, you cannot FOMO into any of these plays, bro. Like you will, like I think I've lost more on FOMO more than actually revenge trading and anything else. Just FOMO, like, oh shit, let me hurry up and get in. It's not, bro. It just doesn't. It's not worth it, bro.
I think the refining process, so I haven't filled the PowerPoint with the end of year data just because I've been speed testing, calculating it with my calculator, and plugging it into the Google Doc, and I'm going to fill in all the data afterwards, but I just want to get the raw data as quick as possible. This is the biggest worry that I have with using a close below. Like on this random day in February, if we did a close below, this would be the largest drawdown that I have incurred throughout over a year, which is what scares me with that. Because the main thing with this, like, I mean, all that we're gonna need to figure out is that's gonna increase our win rate if we do a close below, but it's also gonna increase losses. Holy shit, today's payday.
All this money on me, it don't mean no thing.
Numero uno. Fuck, like I hate that. Damn it.
How much points away are we from? I was. Our 6863. I mean, bro, we're not completely gone. A 20-point return is possible, but I'm it's so unlikely.
This is where I feel like I've pinned most of the wins today. So like this one, cutting it at the middle of the VWAP, it's only minus 3.5. So the net of this day, let's just round this up to 10. 5.5, so we're at 15.5. What was that? 36. So this is a 50-point day, which is fucking insane. And then this, cutting this in the middle of the VWAP allows me to take so many more losses. Like February's automatically just going to be massive just because of that day. Who actually win this?
Bro, but you know what might happen? We might get a sweep up for buyers to take out all that cash, and then like that smart money might just come back in right where we need it to. But I'm thinking that always likes to happen sometimes.
I want you to take this now. Oh, this is gonna be a big one. This is
Well,
this is my favorite.
tell you what,
so
time I go to you good.
I know. It's crazy. Who's left, Martin?
Yeah.
Come
That
on,
Martin was
Martin.
here.
Yeah. It's my boy Marvin. I think he was in class. Dude, holy shit, maybe I'm wrong, bro. February has been an absolute buzzsaw so far. I jinxed the shit out of us. Sorry, boys.
No.
There's no such thing as jinxing.
I don't think there is, but with the experience that I have had with jinxing.
Use your eyes! Yo, Batman with fucking Rob Patterson was like something that was like I didn't expect that shit to hit how it hit, bro.
Wait, what did you say?
Like the Batman with Rob Patterson, I just didn't expect it to hit.
Oh, yeah.
Like that shit hit
Yeah, it did.
unexpectedly.
Bro, this is the kind of shit that like will blow your back out though, right? So sorry, no, I keep saying all these weird references because every time I'm hanging out with my little brother, like he's always like, bro, he makes the gayest references and like I don't even know.
Oh, it's just rubbing off on you type shit.
Yeah, right. Really.
That explains Diddy Candle.
Bro, like, I'm not even kidding. Like this kid, like I'll walk in, I'll be like, "Yo, what's up, Trev?" And I'll be like, "You gay, boy?" Like, that's all I'll say. I'm just like, okay.
Yeah, bro. There's certain things that just you know what? Let me not say that shit on TikTok, bro, because they might fucking cancel me, bro. I can't do this. I can't do cancellations 2 days back to back.
Yeah, exactly. After Friday, you would think that I would start getting some type of heads up here.
Yo, there's no coming back from none of that, bro. Like they caught everything that we were saying, and I'm like, bro.
Come on. So this dude, right? This dude is on TikTok live, and I specifically asked him if he was on TikTok live because I was like talking about like an experience that I had. Basically an experience that I had, and I had to use the R word to talk about this experience. And I was like, "Oh shoot, Zelly, are you on TikTok live?" And he's like, "No, you good, bro." So then I continued after that to talk about the difference between calling somebody G-A-Y and the F word that is similar to G-A-Y, and that they don't mean the same thing anymore. He was on TikTok live.
Oh god.
Bro, wait, Zoe, why don't you tell him, bro?
Bro, because
he's
I
lying to me.
thought, bro, you know what it is, bro? I remember it's my first time like really on live type shit, so I was like, bro, I'm not trying to restrict nobody from saying, because I know we're not stupid to say like the wrong stuff, so it's like I was just like, that word is not crazy, bro, you feel me? But then I like after a while I was like, oh my god, I forgot how TikTok is, bro. Like their AI, they pick up on like once you say the word once, like it gets registered and then it just gets ran through, bro. So I was like, oh shit, I forgot about that shit. You feel me? Because they're so keen. All right, we're over. We're fucking over, bro. We're going straight to my final take profit target, and we didn't get entry. But yeah, it was my fault at the end of the day. I was like, fuck, he did ask me, bro. I just didn't want to restrict anybody from saying anything, because I'm like, bro, you know what I mean? Like, We're
Oh,
not.
I literally gave you guys a warning that I was about to say some crazy
Yeah, you
shit.
did. You did.
I literally was like, "Hey, everybody,
And then
I'm
and then
not being
David
crazy."
David got tight. David not David B. David, he's like, yo, watch your mouth, bro. Like, what? What is happening right now, bro?
He did. I didn't. Oh, I didn't know he got mad. I thought.
He didn't get. I don't think he was like actually mad.
Oh,
I think he was just like, yo, oh shit, like, yo, you feel me? Like,
I
it's
think
not
he's
like, yeah,
joking.
yeah, he was
'Cause
joking.
I
But the fact that he
was
said it, it's like, yeah,
I was
You know
on the
what?
phone with him this morning and he used the R word,
yeah, he's joking, bro.
which I did not. I didn't
Like,
think
bro,
he had.
can't you believe you have to call it the R word? Like, bro, what are we
Well, you're on.
doing?
Well, you're on live. That's
No,
the whole
I
reason.
mean, like, just in general, like, we have to say, like,
Uh,
can you believe this? Like, bro, oh my God, we're so fucked.
I know.
You have to censor
know.
saying that word is crazy, bro. They said I was
Yeah.
bullying and harassment, bro. That's what they called me, a bully and a harasser, bro.
That's horrible.
Me.
That's what you are.
Can you believe that? Oh my God, I don't even have bass in my voice.
I believe it. I'm gonna
Well,
like this is the only thing that I need to figure out with the strat. Like this is why I was talking about making like losses in terms of points, you guys, because there's no volatility. The cloud is so thin. Like I'm losing. So I think that I took 4 losses this day, but in terms of points, it only equated to 3.5, 5.25. This was okay, so whatever. But like, if this was a very volatile day, these could easily be 10 to 15 point losses, and I would be down on my ass, which is like that's kind of why I want to. That's something we have to figure out. Where it's either gonna be like, hey,
If
we
I
stop
did use
losses
the
above
FVG
X
though,
amount,
it's like, bro, I don't
then
want to use
don't do
fucking
it,
fair value
because
gas, bro. Like, I would have been
based on our
set.
win rate right now, like
Yeah, I would have been set to
a
get
lot
the
of
entry, bro. But
the-
it's like,
a lot of
I don't,
like,
I
a
can't,
lot of our
I cannot
strat
use fair value
that I'm
gas,
testing
gang.
is
That's
predicated
not what we do.
upon
I would have been so set. But as I said, we're not chasing none of these shits, bro. Like, if we get the trade, we get the trade. If we don't get it, we don't get it. It's crazy how the gap actually lines up with the actual entry that I would have taken. Like right here. You know what I mean? Like if we had boom, sunk, gone back up in here with the VWAP and shit, like that would have been fire.
get rid of this separation candle. It's somehow through all of this nonsense, I don't get a trade until we lose here.
Brendan, you listening?
Yeah, but I can't hear anything.
You can hear me?
Oh, do I hear drums?
Oh no. No,
Yeah,
there's
what's
no
up?
drums. I just want to tell you something.
What's up?
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. Fuck that, bro. If we don't get the trade, fuck it, bro. Like, it is
Oh
what
no,
it
I'm
is,
talking
bro.
about back testing.
Oh.
I'm mad about the back test.
No, I mean, like, as I said, bro, for this shit, we always avoid those above average volume candles. Get the fuck out of there. Those fucking big ass wicks. Big ass bodies, not wicks, sorry. Wicks are fine, but bodies are not fine. Bodies show strong decision.
Like,
Wicks
dude, if this was
show
a
strong
volatile day-
indecision.
If this was a volatile day, I'm blowing my account. Losses, like, this would be so dangerous.
Bro, yeah, you gotta refine that strategy to put some form of discretion in that bitch.
Nope, no discretion. We just need.
Because there's no way you lose all those trades, bro. Because we know we're not supposed to take them motherfuckers.
Yeah, but like, dude, I'm not even kidding. Some of like the one like this, like some of these are the biggest wins I have seen yet. Like
Max win.
Yeah, literally any max win. Like just like this day right here, bro. This day we bank.
Can't believe this shit
This,
sold off. Bro.
this I'm taking. This, I mean, I don't know. Like
Bro,
this is
I
at
can't believe he
one.
sold off
one-
like this, bro. Yo, am I bugging or like did we miss our entry or did we actually not get this shit? I'm not bugging, right? There was no entry to be made based on the strategy, right?
I mean, there was one on Spy.
Nah, fuck Spy, bro.
No,
We're not doing that no more.
Yeah,
Fuck that.
Which one are you watching from now on? Spy or ES?
ES.
Or MES?
MES, yeah. The thing is, I will watch
yeah.
Spy. I will watch Spy when they are close. Like right now, they are close. Like they're closer. They're not really close, but it's like yeah, no, they're not close at all. No, yeah. When they line up, like
the VWAP, you can check on for Spy. What I would have done is the 4 and the 9 lined up. That would have been my entry. I don't know if that lines up on futures though.
so the floor. So
when it's strong like that, you don't want to like. You're probably not gonna get the VWAP.
so the floor is 6.85, 6.9. Basically, that's what you're saying.
The floor on Spy was 685.8, and the 9 lined up right about like 685.6, and then the 5-minute candle at 10:20 is where I would have done the entry.
They'll call me the Federal Reserve because I'm actually printing.
Bro, as I said, for every time for some reason, me and you, we gotta get that. I gotta get my chart looking the same as yours, bro. Cause on mine, I am very close to the 9 on the 1021, but it's like it's not exact. Like it's like a couple centimeters away from the 9.
I mean, yeah, mine's a little off from it too, but
Okay.
just it's never gonna be to the penny, so I would just take that.
Yeah, cause that shit was strong as hell, bro.
Literally.
1020. Oh yeah, 1020 was the last point where it's like it interacted with my base low, which was at 680.85, and then it just sent from there. But it's like, as I said, bro, I just don't want to confuse my my brain. Not confused, but it's like I want to get used to just doing one thing over an extended period of time, regardless of whatever is in front of me, just the same thing. So I'm like, yeah, I probably wouldn't have taken it anyway.
Oh my gosh, can you see this? This is literally heartbreak. This is the perfect sideways low volume structure, and then we don't get entered.
What date was that?
February 21st, 2025.
Oh, this was recent. Oh, 2025. No, last year. My fault.
You good. Bro, you know what's been like actually living in my head, right? So stupid.
Manda.
I cannot get the conversation that we had out of my mind about how we wish we could see 15 minutes into the future.
Yeah, don't think about that.
Bro, I cannot get that out of my head.
Yo, bro, all we need is 15 minutes to be millionaires, bro. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. I know, like, as I said, I can't help but, like, think that way, but it's like, bro, 15 minutes is all we would need to see, to get, like, billions, bro.
Yeah.
All you need is 5 minutes.
Yeah, true.
Imagine just always knowing the next candle that's gonna happen.
Feel me?
You could stay in a trade the whole way down.
Because you know exactly what's going to happen the next 15, the next 5, the next 5, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, you know what's going to happen, bro. So it's like, it doesn't make sense for you to, you know what I mean? Like, we're getting there. We're getting there when it comes to this price. That's why I was like, I do not want to trade a different strategy, because once I start trading a different strategy, bro, like, I'm going to lose the vision. I know for a fact I'm going to lose the vision that I have with it. If it hits ultimate target at 6.847, yeah, I'm probably gonna call it, because I know for a fact we're cooked on coming back up from there.
Yeah, I love this strategy. I mean, I think taking data like this much data, and then like, using it and interpreting it is the closest we can get to seeing the future, because theoretically, we always have data backing historical performance. as far back. Like if we test and there would never be a down year, or there would never be a year where we couldn't return X amount, theoretically having this in our back pocket literally is kind of seeing the future because we know exactly what's going to happen.
Mhm.
Yes.
What's good, Alex?
Energy.
Thank you for stopping by.
Does this touch? Oh my gosh, look at how lucky I am. This doesn't touch right in there, and this is going to pay me out. Like, look at this deli. This is what I'm talking about with this end of day shit. So based on the rule, the trade must be a minimum of 1 risk to reward. If there is a lower pivot point to target the lower pivot point. If there is not, then shrink the stop loss to be at minimum of a 1. Do we have a lower pivot point? Yes. What's the next pivot point that you see? Hello there. Because you're always supposed to use the previous pivot point. The previous pivot point below that bitch is this. And we just caught 22.25 points at 3:30 in the afternoon.
Yo, alright, bro. It's fucking send off.
Oh, did you enter SPX?
Did I?
Yeah.
I got stopped out for 15%.
It just blew straight through that level.
Yeah, bro.
Holy shit.
That's why I'm like, bro. That's why I just like looking. It was with this strat, bro. It's just like you just know. It's like, bro. I just knew, bro. Cause I got up at 5 a.m. and set this shit out, bro. Like 5 fucking a.m. I was like, yo, we got 2 levels, 2 important levels, 688.4 and 688.47. Like once we operate within that range, bro. Literally at 5:26 a.m. I got up and like charted this shit out. Said it out loud.
Golly.
Everything just got obliterated.
Golly.
Did we say like, boom, if we get a breakout down here, right, and we get our retest when it lines up with the cloud and that level, I'm taking it straight down to that final take target, and just didn't get. I just didn't get the entry, bro. That shit would have been solid. A nice 148 ticks. Fucking A.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Jamal, I want to figure out a way for us to implement
37 points.
Would we theoretically be able to
37
implement like, super out of
points,
the money
bro.
debit spreads to hedge a credit spread? So like, right, for this one in particular, the way that I'm looking at this based on a heat map, and even with what Ball Signals said, they basically said if we break 68.35, like we're dead and gone. So, like they say cross 68.35 equals risk off. I'm assuming that means that it's just selling. So, theoretically, at our entry point
Darks
with this
FN.
credit spread,
Thank you for the
we
follow,
take
bro.
whatever it's delta,
We might
and then if we take
end
super out
here
of the money
today
credit
because
spreads,
all
we're
our
pretty much
targets
some of the
actually
credit
got hit, but our entry model didn't present itself. Like preserve itself. What the fuck is that? The entry didn't present itself, so it's like, yeah, you know, as I said, I got up at 5:26 a.m. marked out these levels on the 1 hour.
Yeah, the issue is that they cancel
You know
each
what I mean?
other out
Like,
pretty much.
we already knew what was going to happen once Price gave us those that price action,
Yeah.
and all we needed was to get our entry. That's literally it. And the entry that we use, we have to get our full send trend on the 5-minute chart,
Yeah, you
right?
just have to
Oh, let me turn time
basically
down
see
real quick.
if it's gonna.
All right. Yeah. So once we had gotten a close below that level that I marked out before, this level here, right? So this would be anywhere here, right? Our retest should have hypothetically, you know, send off, close below here, good indication, and then we wait for it to correct back into the cloud, and then we just take it back to the final take profit, which would have looked exactly like this. However, as I said, our entry didn't present itself, and we are not FOMOing into any of these trades, guys. Do not FOMO. FOMO is the death of your account and the death of your money. Do not FOMO. Very important, you do not do that, bro. I can't express to you how much losses I have incurred doing FOMO. As I said earlier, I lost more doing FOMO than revenge trading. And after the best thing I'll say to increase your probability of going profitable way faster is to not experiment. Just do one thing. I'm a very inquisitive person by nature, so it's like I was always testing different strategies, you know, with the account. And I don't know if you can see my account. As I said, I do not paper trade. I'm using a Webull account. I do not paper trade. I do not use prop firms. So everything that happens is actual cash, or my money is just like off somewhere else that I can't disclose. But for educational purposes, we are using this account here to get data, provide value, and just to give you information as to how, you know, I trade specifically. So I'll be here again tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. EST on TikTok, YouTube, Twitch. Yeah. And if you guys have any questions, just ask him right away. You know, comment on the video, send DMs. It doesn't matter. You know, anything at all. All right.